everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I am going to do a mini stationery haul. So let's get started. This is Anupam's small canvas. Then I purchased a air dry clay. Next one are this touch soft head double tip markers. This I have purchased for bullet journaling. So there is shade ice blue, then fruit pink, then deep red, then mint blue, and the last is cerulean blue. So now let's do pen swatches. So let's see how these markers are. So first shade is deep red. It has double-sided tip. One has the normal tip and other side has the flat tip. Then the next shade is ice blue. Next is the fruit pink. It is very light shade of the pink. Next is mint green. And last, this is cerulean blue. So these were the 5 colors. The fruit pink is very light pink. And I also purchased some unique shades of acrylics. So this one is meadow green in pearl acrylics. And these two are normal acrylic colors. This is teal blue shade of Fevicry and this is salmon pink. Both are so good. Let's do acrylic color swatches. Now let's see the acrylics. First one is the meadow green shade of pearl acrylics. Then the next shade is salmon pink shade. Salmon pink. And the last shade that we have is the teal blue shade. These are also from Fevicry only, and these are the plain acrylic shades. So last purchase is this pen by Uniball. It's fluorescent pink pen. kind of a fine liner. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram.